अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम योर टीचर तथीर फातिमा। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं जेम पब्लिशर्स की इंग्लिश प्ले ग्रुप। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न ए टू जी विथ पिक्चर्स। आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट। A for ant. Look, this is an ant. The ant is teeny and walk. B for ball. Bounce the ball. Bounce. C for cake. Yummy cake. We eat cake on birthdays. D for drum. Drum does duck. Beat the drum. E for egg. Egg is white and round. We eat eggs for breakfast. F for flower. Smell the flower. Wow, smell is so good. G for grapes. Purple grapes? No, green grapes. Sweet and juicy. H for horse. Horse runs fast. I for iron. Mama use iron to press clothes. J for jelly. Jelly is soft and wobbly. Wingle. Kettle. K for kettle. Kettle boils water. And for lion. Lion says roar. He is king of jungle. M for moon. Moon shines bright at night. And for nest. Birds live in nest. Tweet. O for orange. Orange is round and juicy. Peel and eat. P for parrot. Parrot says hello. Green parrot. U for quilt. Quilt keeps us warm in winter. R for rabbit. Rabbit jumps hop. S for sun. Sun shines bright in the sky. T for tomato. Tomato is red. U for umbrella. Keep us dry in rain. V for van. Van goes vroom. W for watermelon. Watermelon is green outside and red inside. X for X-ray. Doctor use X-ray to see our bones. Y for yak. Yak lives in cold mountains. Brr. Z for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Wow, children, you did all great. We learned A to Z with pictures. Hooray!